Virtual RAM, also known as swap space, is a technique used by computer systems to extend their available memory capacity beyond what is physically installed. It involves using a portion of the hard disk to simulate additional RAM. While virtual RAM can offer some benefits, it also poses significant limitations and can impact system performance. One major benefit of virtual RAM is that it allows computers to run memory-intensive applications smoothly even when physical memory is limited. It provides an illusion of increased memory capacity by dynamically moving parts of inactive programs or data to the hard disk, freeing up physical RAM for active tasks. This helps prevent resource-hungry applications from crashing due to memory limitations. While virtual RAM enhances memory capacity, it comes with limitations. Since hard disk access is significantly slower compared to RAM, using virtual memory can cause performance issues, especially when dealing with memory-intensive tasks. Frequent swapping between physical RAM and disk space can lead to increased disk activity, which slows down overall system performance. Moreover, the constant read-write operations on the hard disk can cause wear and tear, reducing its lifespan. To mitigate virtual RAM-related performance problems, it is important to optimize its usage. Monitoring and adjusting the swap space allocation according to your system's needs can help improve performance. Minimizing excessive swapping by closing unnecessary programs and avoiding overloading the system can also be effective. Upgrading physical RAM is an ideal long-term solution as it reduces reliance on virtual memory entirely, resulting in improved speed and overall system performance.